Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I will show $750 cash app gift card. So watch the full video carefully. First open your favorite browser and go to search bar, type here fractional.com and press the enter button. Yes, this is our website. You can see some types offer: Amazon, Google Play. We go to $750 cash app gift card. You can see here some help product. We go to giveaway enter button. Finally we go to $750 cash app gift card. Yes, $750 cash app gift card available. Yes, like our email. Continue. Just waiting. Our gift card is generating. Register next. First name, last name, and zip code. Continue. Address, city, state, phone number, and continue. Date of birth, male or female, and tick mark. Continue. Our reward by completing some question as like survey. Yes, often today on-site email. Yes, one car time 5k. Excellent. Yes, what road? Yes, tick mark. Next, tick mark. Next, cool. Yes, tick mark. Continue. If you want, you can try another offer, but no thanks. Yes, we must complete one deal, then we get $750 cash app gift card. Thank you watching the full video.